we sleep. T is for past tense. And it is have, as, or had. Now give me a sentence. Artist. This second one. What is this one? What is the pronunciation for this?
That one is just man. And the other one is man.
Hey. The first one. What is this? Kilele.
The first one's man. Man. And the second one's just man.
Ma. Daikushe. You said the first one is ma. And ma is a tense, which means will. This one is ma. Maybe your mommy calls you. Tell will eat. Amy.
Ma.
I love that ma. Jewu. Báwo ni? So sure, show up. Bobo uncle. What of Bobo? Then Bobo is our third person. You say, oh wow, pa. He is fine. Báwo ni? Onífìlà. I want to greet you now. Báwo ni? Answer me. Show up. Mommy and call.